Hello everyone, and welcome again. Here we're going to talk about the basic of natural dyes. So what is a natural dye? To understand what is a natural dye, we first need to understand what is a dye. A dye is a substance that is used to impart color to various material. This material can be textile or paper, for example. There are two main types of dyes. We have natural dyes and synthetic dyes. Natural dyes are extracted from natural sources. So this means we extract them from plants, we extract them from the leaves, the barks, or even the roots. And because they are from nature, they are renewable. Synthetic dyes, on the other hand, they are synthesized, as their name say, in laboratories. So they are created in the industry. And they are not renewable because most of them came from coal tar or petrochemicals. To dye with natural colors, we have to follow a process that is very particular to natural colors. First, we have to prepare the fabric. Then we have to extract the color from the dye source. And then we combine the fabric and the dye to actually dye the fabric. But we're going to learn about this process a little bit later. What do we need to natural dye? We first are going to need a fabric, and natural dyes only work with natural fabrics. I'm going to explain later what is a natural fabric. Then we're going to need the dye stuff, which is the natural matter in which we're going to take the color from. And we're also going to need two things, that is a mordant and a tannin. And these are products that would help the color to bond with the fabric. These are other tools and equipment that we're going to need, but don't worry because in the documents you're going to find a checklist with all the tool of equipment that you're going to need to natural dye. That's all for this lesson. You can go to the next lesson, which is safety when dye with natural colors.